the day that our Nonpareil was founded, customs brokerage as initial business. In 1995, they entered the logistics sector from the small office built on their house at Pitugo without any warehouse or formal office space, only goals and determination on their heart. They tend to acquire small clients up to the large client as the day went on. Nonpareil managed to attain big clients such as Globe Telecom. We are their service provider from the start, from building their cell sites all over the Philippines, even at the most remote areas through manual hauling. We could proudly say that with our logistics services, even if we do not have much equipment, trucks, resources, and even funds, we became part of the country's top network provider. Part of the continuous support to Globe Telecom, we obtained the distribution of their handsets, accessories, freebies, and most importantly, SIM card and call cards to their business center and authorized dealers nationwide through our Beyond Compare deliveries. As time passed by, we created name on the telecom industry that leads us to aim for more clients. Our eagerness leads us to bid for government clients, DOH to be specific. With the guidance of our Lord, we won the bidding of DOH local distribution of hospital consumables and supplies across the nation, and deliveries of routine vaccine. From this moment on, we could say, nothing's gonna stop us now. Came 2020, COVID-19 virus hit the whole world and lockdown was announced. For many kababayans, pandemic was a disaster. But to Nonpareil, it was a big opportunity that upholds our company culture. Not only we make history on our company, but to the Philippine nation. As we won the DOH bidding for the distribution of COVID-19 vaccine. Hatid bakuna during pandemic gave our kababayans the hope that this pandemic will lead us all to endemic. Our company's culture of banig was greatly practiced during this time. From customs clearance and releasing from NAIA, with the help of our transport department, delivered to our cold chain warehouse. Cold chain personnel segregate the COVID vaccines per allocation from DOH and released to domestic forwarding department for nationwide distribution to every CHO, PHO, and even RHU of every region of the Philippines. After delivery, handover of PODs to FADBIL for processing of billing and collection process. For those who work hard during pandemic, we salute you all.
Like a swan on the ocean, singing big words in emotion. Like how a single word can make your heart open. I'm running away on one bench, but I can make an explosion. And all those things I didn't say, were wrecking balls inside my brain. I was screaming and afraid. This is my I can make an explosion.
During and after pandemic, for Nonpareil, it is such a great opportunity. We acquired more trucks, warehouses, most importantly, brings employment to people. Though there were times that we are on our lowest years, but we managed to always maintain our core values to the entire Nonpareil nation by always having malasakit not only to our department, but most significantly to our company. As a wise woman once said, diskarte, hindi tsamba. As the fruit of our hard work pays off, yearly recognition of service awardee, and we are now enjoying anniversary gift, pamaskong handog, year-end bonus, and many more to mention. We are the domestic forwarding department, and we are all in this together.